Ever find yourself staring at a shelf full of ties and mugs thinking, there's gotta be a better Father's Day gift than this? What if this year you could surprise Dad with something thoughtful, useful, or even unforgettable? Whether he's the chill-at-home type, the outdoorsy adventurer, the tech geek, or the sentimental soul, there's a perfect gift waiting for him. In this video, we're diving into Father's Day gift ideas that go way beyond the basics and help you find something he'll truly love and remember.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is it important to choose a meaningful Father's Day gift? A meaningful gift shows Dad you've been paying attention. It turns a simple object into a symbol of love and gratitude. It creates connection. Thoughtful gifts reflect shared memories, interests, or values, which makes them more powerful than just store-bought stuff. It shows effort. Taking the time to think beyond generic gifts sends a powerful message. I know you, and I appreciate you. It lasts longer in memory. Even a small but personal gift can outshine expensive ones if it truly resonates with him. If you want more people to rethink gift giving this Father's Day, like and share this video with them. What are some practical gift ideas for dads who love functionality? Some dads love gifts they can actually use every day, something that improves their routine or solves a problem. Tech organizers or charging stations keep his devices neat and ready to go, perfect for work or travel. A personalized toolbox or high-quality multi-tool is ideal for the DIY dad who's always fixing things around the house. Smart gadgets like a digital tape measure, smart mug, or noise-canceling earbuds mix convenience with cool tech. Got a practical dad? Drop your favorite utility gift ideas in the comments. We'd love to see your creativity. What gifts work well for the sentimental dad? For the dad who gets teary at graduation speeches and keeps every Father's Day card, you'll want a gift with heart. Custom photo books filled with family memories, vacations, or moments you've shared bring back all the feels. Engraved keepsakes, like a watch, bracelet, or keychain with a personal message, add a lasting emotional touch. A handwritten letter or a 10 reasons I love you, Dad Jar becomes something he'll treasure far beyond the holiday. If you want more heartfelt gift inspiration, explore the playlist in the description. What are budget-friendly Father's Day gifts that still feel special? You don't need to spend a fortune to make Dad feel appreciated. A meaningful, useful, or fun gift can fit any budget. Cook his favorite meal and set up a home restaurant experience with menus and all. It's personal and delicious. DIY photo frames, keychains, or memory jars are low cost and loaded with heart. Make a dad coupons booklet with offers like movie night picks, car wash, or an uninterrupted nap on demand. Looking for more gifts that don't break the bank? Check the similar videos linked in the description. What are some fun and unexpected Father's Day gift ideas? Sometimes the best gift is the one he'd never buy for himself but would absolutely love. Monthly subscription boxes for coffee, barbecue sauces, books, or beer give him a little surprise all year long. A customized bobblehead, comic book, or piece of art that looks like him makes for a hilarious and unique keepsake. Experience gifts like concert tickets, race car driving lessons, or escape room passes give him memories instead of clutter. Subscribe if you want more fun and unexpected gift ideas just like these coming your way. So if you've ever stood in an aisle holding a coffee mug that says "World's Okayest Dad," now you know. Father's Day gifts can be so much better. Whether it's practical, heartfelt, adventurous, or just plain hilarious, there's a perfect pick for every kind of dad. And the best part? You don't need to go big, you just need to go meaningful. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the price tag, it's about saying thank you in a way that hits home.